Today they're going to learn how to fix Roblox not loading on PC in 2026 if Roblox is stuck on the loading screen, not opening at all, or freezing before a game starts. These are 3 proven fixes explained step by step. These are simple, practical solutions that work in most cases. So starting with the first fix, which is reinstalling Roblox the correct way first. They open the Start menu and go to Settings from there. They click on Apps, and then go to Installed Apps or Apps and Features depending on their system. Now they scroll down and look for Roblox in the list. Once they find it, they click on it and select Uninstall. They wait until the process is complete. But this step alone is not enough, because sometimes leftover files can still cause problems, so the next step is to remove those files. Manually, they press Windows, key plus R on their keyboard. A small window will appear here. They type %local app data % and press enter. This opens a folder with local app data inside this folder. They look for any folder named Roblox if they find it. They right-click and delete it completely. This ensures there are no corrupted files left behind. Now they open their web browser and go to the official Roblox website. They log into their account. After logging in, they click on any game from the home page, then they press the play button. At this point, Roblox will prompt them to download the installer again. They click download, wait for the file, and then open it. The installation will start automatically and usually finishes in a few seconds. Once it's done, they go back to the browser and click play again. Now Roblox should launch correctly. This first fix is one of the most effective because it resets everything completely. Now moving to the second fix, which is updating graphics drivers. This is very important because outdated drivers can prevent games from loading properly. First, they right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. A window will open showing different hardware categories. They look for the section called Display Adapters and expand it. Here they will see their graphics card. They right-click on it and select Update Driver, then they choose the option that says Search. Automatically for drivers, Windows will check if there is a newer version available and install it if an update is found. They wait until it finishes installing. After that, they restart their computer. Restarting is important to apply the changes properly. Updating drivers can fix crashes, black screens, and loading problems. Now moving to the third fix, which is running Roblox with administrator permissions first. They locate the Roblox player on their computer. If they have a shortcut on the desktop, they can use that. If not, they can search for Roblox in the Start menu. Once they find it, they right-click on it and select Properties. A new window will open. They go to the Compatibility tab. Here they look for the option that says Run this program as administrator. They check that box, then they click Apply, and then they open Roblox again, normally running. The program as administrator allows it to access system resources without restrictions. This can fix issues where Roblox fails to start or gets stuck. Loading after applying these 3 fixes. Most loading problems should be solved. If the issue was caused by corrupted files, outdated drivers, or permission errors, Roblox should now open without problems. As a final tip, they should always keep their system updated and avoid downloading Roblox from unofficial sources. They should also make sure their internet connection is stable for the best experience. And that's how to fix Roblox not loading on PC in 2026, using 3 simple but very effective methods step by step.